Where is it? Let's go find it. Oh, I got a sniff here. Tuck is an agricultural inspector dog. And what he's trained to do is he's trained to find fruits and vegetables and plant material coming through the mail that might be harboring pests, diseases, and infesting other commodities that we grow here in San Diego. Which one? That one? Which one? Good boy. The most important thing these dogs do for us is they find us unmarked boxes that we would never see. We're really trying to use these dogs to find backyard fruit, new shippers and receivers. With the internet, people just can put stuff in the mail and send it to you in 2 days. If it doesn't say Sunkist, Pro Flowers, Harry and David on the side of the box, an inspector doesn't know to look into it. So the dog uses their sense of smell to find those boxes that we, as an inspector, would never see. And they find several hundred to 1,000 of them in a year. So it's absolutely amazing what these guys do. Dogs constantly need reinforcement and training to keep proficient. And so today we've got basically a little sample of what we usually do and see in a real environment. So the trick is to get him to find the fruits and vegetables, ignoring all the other boxes that don't have anything in it. It's a mango. No, don't eat it. Oh, all the dogs that we use have been adopted. So he's gotten his little second chance. The reason I fell in love with him when we were working is that his attitude, he just loved the game. He wasn't scared of much. He just wanted to go, 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 go. And he's an absolute sweetheart. So that's what tied me into him. When he gets it, he's so happy. It's really fun to watch his progression. I've only had him for about 6 months now. And the difference between when I first got him working and now, he's just gotten so much better at it. Okay. Oh, good boy. Okay.